get it all? The oatmeal? The energy. I really don't know. Carol, you scared the crap out of me. Sorry about that. I'll dry your clothes, by the way. My clothes? Thank you. No problem. I boil some water too if you need it for oatmeal. Or coffee. You have coffee? Yeah. Alright, I made my coffee strong. It's just another 40 miles down the lake. You said that an hour ago. That's the secret. It's always cold. Huh? At least. Mistake. You don't say anything, do you? Nope. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm probably gonna knock out early. Do you ever go swimming?